What Warren offers is technology as we continue to move forward. We continue to invest in our equipment, and we can provide what a family business does provide, is hands-on with you, and make sure you're taken care of with the best quality equipment as well as the best quality team. So my name is Phil Warren. I'm from Warren Packaging. We are a label, box, and folding carton manufacturer here in Ontario, California. I'm third generation in this business. My grandfather was in corrugated, my father was in corrugated, and me and him started the label company about 13 years ago, and then combined them all about 10 years ago. One of the big things about us that separate us from everybody else is what we call the big three. We do corrugated, folding carton, and labels. And we're gonna make sure what you want and your needs are handled in a timely manner. And we're also gonna provide the same quality, if not better, than what's needed. So what we've done is invest in a lot of our equipment, and we continue to see that digital is the way of the future. Because with digital, I see that the younger generation can also stay in the business, and we can stay very much a part of the conversation as we move forward.
My name is Mike Dittenberg. I'm business development at Warren Packaging. We originally got into digital printing on the corrugated side, and then once we saw it come available on the label side, we kind of saw that same opportunity. When we started looking into digital equipment, we were looking for kind of a partner that's gonna grow with us. So Domino, I think, stood out to us because it was just kind of the best overall opportunity for us to partner with someone who could provide us what we need as a manufacturer. That just expands our business so much more.
When we did add the Domino, and one of the big factors of why we wanted Domino was to remove a lot of work from Flexo to digital. With Domino, we've been able to do that, produce 1,000, maybe even 50,000 labels. And it also let us get into companies that we weren't in before. For us, it's been huge.
Having the Domino has definitely created opportunity for us and kind of filled the void between our previous capabilities and now what we're able to offer to customers. So we produce high quality product labels for a lot of different applications, like bottles, clamshells, storage containers, boxes, bags, and then the list kind of goes on and on. And to be able to have a piece of equipment that gives us that ability and that customers can recognize the quality just kind of reassures us that we made a good decision in going with this equipment and working with Domino to achieve that for us.
So within having the digital press, what we've been capable and what we do more of is deal with graphic design. They can be very creative with holidays and other things that they have come up where they want to do small brands or quick turnarounds. And a lot of our customers and employees have spoken on the digital about what they see in it. You know, Jose, who is my operator, had very little to no experience on equipment. We honestly brought him in to run the digital, sent him for a week training, and he was ready to go. And he even came back and trained a couple people as we keep growing and expanding that side of our business.
I'm Jose Ordaz. I've been a press operator at Warren Packaging for 3 years, and I've been working on the Domino for 2. The easiest part of my job is operating the machine. It's just a simple press with nothing complicated, which makes my coworkers think I don't do much because I don't move around or move any dials, but I keep my hands clean. But the real secret is Domino makes it look easy. And most importantly, it's Jose approved.
So as far as the purchasing process of Domino and what we dealt with, it was very hands-on. They were here with us. We were making sure that we were taken care of as we move forward. And it's been tremendous help. I knew that I bought a good machine, and I knew that I partnered with a good company. They've not only proved that to me, but to my people.
And that's the Domino difference.
From a sales and marketing perspective, I'm definitely glad that we got the Domino digital press. It's given us capabilities that we've needed but didn't have. That just expands our business so much more.
We are very much a relationship-based company. And we look for partners like Domino that are going to fit within that realm of what we do. And we are super excited to continue that relationship going on into the future.
And from Jose, thanks, Domino.
Thanks, Domino.
From everyone here at Warren, thanks, Domino.